Okay, you guys, so these are the items that you will need for this mosaic wall art. You need some E6000, a hammer. I guess y'all, the hammer is bootleg, but hey, it's a hammer. You need some glitter. You need, I got some little glitter and I got big chunky glitter. And you need some sponge paint brushes. And I got some sawtooth hangers so I can hang up the canvases. And I got some glue sticks. And I got Mod Podge. I got the glossy kind. And I got the canvases, which is a 20 by 24 inch canvas right here. And y'all, I got the mirror right here from Walmart. I just bought one of the big door mirrors for like $5.88, and I'm gonna use that, y'all. And if y'all didn't know, I am in the process of trying to get my house in order and organized and trying to decorate and things like that. And so if you can see in this mirror, honey, I do not have any furniture yet, but by the end of this month I will be getting the furniture that I really truly want. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get with this DIY project. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just going to take the hammer and try to bust the glass into little pieces. And y'all be very careful because glass does fly. I actually should have covered it up, but I didn't. And I will say, do not get a wall mirror, because what I discovered was that there was a backing on that and you had to peel it off of the actual mirror, and that took me a long time. I did not show that on camera, but just get a regular mirror, like a handheld mirror from the Dollar Tree, and crack that and bust it up, and try to stay away from the wall mirrors because of the backing that's on there that you have to peel off. So now I'm just taking the E6000 glue and gluing each piece down. And I just made sure that I put the glue all over the back of each of the mirror pieces. And you guys, I do suggest that you wear gloves. I did not wear any gloves because I did not have any gloves, and I did not feel like going back out to buy some gloves. But I will say, be very careful because you will get cut if you are not careful. I know some shards of the glass did get in my finger, but I did get them out. So I just placed them onto the canvas in just different ways on how I wanted to, and I just placed it down however. And with this mirror, I actually like how some of the glass shattered, and I kept it like that. If you can see how some of the glass is shattered and not all the way torn apart, I guess you can say. I actually liked how that looked, and it came out really pretty. And I kind of spaced my mirror pieces far apart. I didn't put them all the way together. That's how I really wanted it. I wanted mine to look a little different from the inspirations that I've seen on YouTube, and which was Petal is Blessed and Sharon She's So Fabulous, I believe. But I seen some other ones as well. I think her name is Shy Marie. And so I wanted mine to be a little different from theirs, but kind of like the same inspiration. So now I'm just taking all the pieces and just put them together, just sporadically all over the canvas. And I did not spray paint the canvas, which I was thinking that I should have, but I didn't spray paint the canvas metallic silver color. I just left it like that, but it actually still turned out really pretty at the end. So just putting that glue down. Okay, so now I'm going to work with the glue gun. And y'all, I had the darndest time trying to work with this damn glue gun. Like, seriously, y'all, this glue gun was acting so funny and crazy, but it took the longest. I felt like it took too long for me to actually get this part done and out the way. But I got it accomplished. I think I have to go get me another glue gun. This glue gun has stuck with me for some years, so I do think it's time for me another one. And I wish I would have gotten another one when I was actually in Walmart when I went to go get some pillows, because Walmart was the closest place. So I wish I would have gotten it, but I didn't. And I actually looked at them too. So yeah, this right here took forever. And I'm just making squiggly lines on the canvas and just trying to make it look good and awesome, you know. Okay, so now I have done the top part of the canvas as well with the glue gun, and I just didn't show that part because, like I said, the glue gun was acting so crazy. So now I'm taking some Mod Podge and putting over the glue gun, and y'all tap the Mod Podge into the where the glue is, because if you swipe it, it's gonna mess up the glue. So just tap it into the glue. Okay, now so I am going to put the glitter on there, and I got the big chunky glitter. And y'all, I think I overdid it with putting the big chunky glitter down there, because after I did that, you can't see the actual squiggly lines. So, but then it still turned out pretty good, y'all, because it still looks really good. So at the top of the canvas, I decided to put the smaller glitter so you can actually see the squiggly glue up there. So it all worked out in the end. So now y'all see I'm just putting some more Mod Podge up there, and so to prepare it for the smaller mill glitter that I put on the top of that. And so now I'm putting the finely milled glitter up there, and y'all can still see the squiggly lines, but it all turned out to be fabulous regardless. But so yeah, I'm loving this finished product, y'all. Look at that. I cannot wait to hang this up in my bedroom. Yes, I'm hanging this up in my bedroom right above my bed, and I think it's gonna look really great. Look at that. That turned out to be fabulous, y'all. I love it. And I love how spaced out I put the pieces of mirror. It just looked really good to me. That looks so freaking good to me. And look at that. Yes. And oh, you guys, I did put Mod Podge on top of the glitter. Another coat of Mod Podge on top of the glitter so it can stick. But look at it, y'all. And also, you guys, you will have to put a backing on this so you can nail the painting up on the wall. And I just got these for Walmart. I just got a big box of them for like $5. So you will need to put that on the back, and I did include that so I can hang it up on the wall. Okay, you guys, so this is how the mosaic art looks in my room. This is my bedding, you guys. Right here I got all white with some platinum, and so that looks perfectly great over my bed, y'all. And y'all, please forgive the pillows. I do not know how to arrange pillows on my bed. this is the best that I can get. I've seen so many videos where people's pillows were so neat and so cute, but y'all, please forgive me. But anyway, look how nice this looks, y'all. Look at that. I am loving it so far. I did such a great job. I love it, y'all. It goes really good with my room because, as y'all can see, my walls are yellow, and so I was going with a white, yellow, and platinum color. And as far as the curtains go, these are gray. These are gray curtains that I have in my room, and I thought that would accent it really good, that color gray. So yeah, that's my color scheme: yellow, white, platinum, and gray. So that's the other window right there. What do y'all think about the end result in my room? Is it wonderful or what, y'all? And I was thinking that I should have made another one, but I don't know. We shall see. But so far this is good. I'm loving it. So what do y'all think? Y'all comment down below, let me know your thoughts about this mosaic wall art. Alrighty, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.